How many shades can you get out of one pencil? Value in artwork is how light or dark something is. When we use value, we can create depth in our artwork or 3D objects.
This is a value scale. Creating your own value scale can help you make sure you are getting all the darks, lights, and in-betweens in your artwork. Now we'll use all the values in the value scale to turn a circle into a 3D sphere. Using values is a way of capturing light. So always make sure you know where your light source is so you can capture the highlights and the shadows and all of the tones in between. Now let's see how we can create depth in a drawing using value. Things that are closer to us will be darker because we can see them better. As we get further away, they'll get lighter. This creates depth in your drawing. Let's get some ideas.
Now we've seen a few ideas of how to use value in your artwork. What would you like to draw? This week, don't forget to notice where the light is coming from and notice the highlights and the shadows and all of the shades in between. Noticing the world around you will always help with your artwork.